In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to change the theme language in Shopify. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to modify the language settings of your Shopify theme. Also, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you're considering using Shopify for your e-commerce needs, you can find the link in the description to get started. Now, let's get started with the updated process. Changing the theme language in Shopify involves a few steps. Go to Settings. Select Languages from the menu list. In Languages, select Add a language. Now, choose your preferred language from the drop-down list. For example, I'll choose French. Click on Add to include the selected language in your store. You'll now see your chosen language under Unpublished Languages. In my case, it's French. Before publishing, it's essential to fully translate the web page. Click on Translate, then click on Translate and Adopt. A new page will open. From there, select Auto Translate, and then click Translate in the window that appears. Wait a few minutes for the page to be fully translated. Once done, click on Manage. Under Unpublished Languages, select the three dots related to your preferred language and choose Publish. Finally, go to your online store to verify if the changes have been applied. This updated process ensures that your Shopify store's theme language is effectively changed and fully translated. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more informative content about Shopify, don't forget to subscribe to Media Magnet Guide. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.